Subscribe to our YouTube channel AJSK Show and please press the bell icon for latest update. Hello and welcome you all to another video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you about my detailed review about my Unicorn 150. So I have completed a 1 year about this bike and मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि what are the good things like about this and difficulties which I have faced about this bike. पूरी डिटेल रिव्यू मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताना चाहता हूँ. सो गाइस, अगर आप यूनिकॉर्न यूज़ कर रहे हैं और अगर आपको कोई डिफ़िकल्टीज आ रही है लाइक इन टर्म्स ऑफ माइलेज एंड एनी काइंड ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ द थिंग्स विच यू आर फेसिंग अ प्रॉब्लम, so you can ask me and I will help you if I know that. So guys, इस महीने में like 1 year has been completed about my bike and I have modified many of the things in this my Unicorn 150. So as you can check the tire which I'm showing right now, it's currently a tube tire, so that I have converted into a tubeless now. So the tire you can check, it's a tubeless tire, so becoming like tubeless tire, so there will be a mileage drop. So फिलहाल आई थिंक मुझे जो माइलेज ड्रॉप मिल रहा है फ़िलहाल 3 से 4 का. पहले जो माइलेज मिल रहा था मुझे अराउंड इट वाज लाइक 42 45. It was in between in city, but compared to like in highways which you're riding, definitely you're getting a mileage around above 45 to 50k. But जब से ये ट्यूबलेस टायर हुआ है एटलीस्ट आई एम गेटिंग अ माइलेज sure like 42 in between. So this is the actual mileage which I'm getting after making my tire as in tubeless. So ये modifications मैंने की थी. And the second modification I can say, you can see the light parts in my bike, which is a fog light, and for this I've already make a video like from where I have done it. So if you want you can watch the video. There will be a link in descriptions and anything if you want like what are the modifications which I have done in my bike, and if you want to know that and if you want to do that also, so for that I have make a video, so you can just go in my videos and you can watch. And any part if you want to purchase, definitely there will be a link in description, you can visit and you can buy. So in this you can check the kilometers which I've used around 1 year is like around 4,000, almost like 4,000 which I've used. And you can see the mount of mobile mount which is used for GPS and all. So overall the performance I can say it's very good. If you are riding this bike around 60 to 70, 70 above 80, it will be free. But if you're taking your buns on this bike is very good as compared to my satisfaction, I can say I'm 100% satisfied with this bike about overall performance and each and everything. And if you have any kind of things to be known about this, so you can do one thing, you can comment in the comment sections. And if you have any questions regarding this about this what to do, you can ask me and definitely I will reply to you in the comment sections. And guys, if you want to purchase any kind of product, okay, regarding the helmets, what are the parts, there will be a link in description, you can go ahead and you can purchase all the things, okay. If you're new to this channel guys, you have to subscribe to my channel for more updates, okay. Until then I'm signing out in the next video. Thank you, bye bye, have a good day.